Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about. Please subscribe and press the like button. Let's get started. Traditionally, data room are physical room, kept secure with a constant surveillance where authorized parties go to review sensitive company information. This is necessary during many legal or business dealing such as property sales, merge and acquisition, IPO, share sales, business utilization, or adult. For a physical data rooms, the company need to keep the rooms on the premise or pay to use a room somewhere else, such as in their lawyers of office. Locks need to be kept of who access the room and who see which version of is a specific document. Since this type of data rooms is in a physical location, people have to be there in person to view the information, which leads to traditional cost and inconvenience. For example, during a sales, the bidder might need to be flow in to access the necessary documents. The same old be true of lawyers during litigations of an audit or during an adult. Will this ensure confidential information is not easily leaked? It is a from conveyed on cost effective from any of the parties involved. The introduction of virtual data. Virtual data room managed in the cloud have simplified this process since the files are stored digitally. It is unnecessary to secure a physical location. Those who need to access to sensitive information no longer need to be fly in the and put up an a hotel. They can simply be given access to the necessary files virtually to ensure security and protect against data leak. Access can be easily revoked with it's no longer needed. For example, if the purchase fails through or when the audit is completed or even when a cartoon then the members has completed their specific tasks. Virtual data room can automatically keep a track of who access the available documents when we access the documents and the specified documents they have viewed. Using permission based rules, uh, companies can configure different access levels for the different individuals involved. With the multi-factor authentication process and 24 or 7 days third-party monitoring available in creating virtual data rooms today. Files are kept safe, if not safer, than if viewed in a hard copy version. The added convention that there's a cost saving have spread a trend virtual data rooms and cloud storage quickly uh, replace physical data rooms, a trend this expect to continue to grow. M&A before such as available companies going through the merge and acquisition M&A would conduct their due diligence in a physical data rooms which would contains hundreds to thousands of documents needing review. A bidding party and their associate would need to be flow out to the data room's location and there the physical source room to complete their documents review. This process was and still is incredible time consuming, costly, and environmentally unfriendly. It also greatly reduces the amount of potential buyers. Investor that companies can present third part documents to in a specified period of time. To try to expect the process companies being sending couriers the guard documents and take them to their bidders. This cloud may risk thought with the possibility of a virtual forgetting file. Other companies shift their important documents via FedEx, UPS, and USPS mail. Delivery is not a secure routes and oftentimes a business, and left wondering whether or not a potential investor have even look at the sent documents or if those documents were received the first place. Saying a need in the business world of is the M&A process. Virtual data room or deal rooms were created. They'll have opened up a new industry for secure document storage and sharing software. There are two important purposes for a secure virtual data room. Number one, to streamline the M&A process while keeping sensitive information secure and accounted for. To keep a secure online repository for all important and sensitive company documents. With a virtual data room, a user may invite a multiple investor and lawyers to their due diligence simultaneously, having all documents organization and easily accessible will give investor confidence in the business. In addition to the quick distribution to interested parties, the data rooms owners may track who active those specific parties are in order to spend more time connecting with those who appear more interested in their company. With the time and money saving benefits, having a deals rooms can be that difference between a yes and a no from investor during an M&A transaction. Answers have long been a major part of the M&A space, and they tend to be even more common when the times get together. Uh, Authors give buyers some protection against and acquisitions future underperformance and allow sellers to enjoy the higher sales price of the can hit their project number. We expect air request to be a bigger part of M&A landscape cafe this year. So let's talk about them. What is in an earnout? An earnout is an equation in which a part of the purchase price of a base of the company's performance post transaction. We can think of earned out in two ways: a discount of the buyer if this target compounds. Thank you for watching.